Hello, wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome back to the marvels of nature. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of one of Africa's most iconic creatures, the zebra. Get ready for a journey filled with interesting facts, mesmerizing behavior, and stunning visual that showcase the beauty of these street wonders. So take a good look at God's wonders. They will take your breath away. Zebras, with their bold black and white stripes, are not only eye-catching but also possess the unique qualities that make them truly remarkable. Did you know that no two zebras have the exact same stripe pattern? It's like nature's fingerprint. Now, let's talk about their behavior. Zebras are highly social animals, often found in large groups called dazzles. This dazzle serves as both protection and a way to confuse predators. The black and white stripes create an optical illusion, making it difficult for predators like lions to single out an individual zebra from the group. As we observe these majestic creatures in their natural habitat, it is crucial to understand the significant role they play in their ecosystem. Zebras are not only a sight to behold, they are essential for the balance of their ecosystem. As herbivores, they play a vital role in controlling grass and vegetation, preventing overgrowth. This in turn ensures a healthy balance in the food chain for both predators and prey. However, these magnificent animals face numerous threats, including habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these species and their delicate ecosystem they call home. Fortunately, there are organizations and initiatives dedicated to the conservation of zebras and their habitats. By supporting these efforts, we can contribute to preserving the biodiversity of our planet and ensuring a future where zebras continue to roam free. And there you have it, guys, a closer look at the incredible world of zebra. I hope you enjoyed this journey into their lives, from their unique stripes to their important role in the wild. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share the knowledge about the importance of zebra conservation. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet. All together now, applause for God. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.